Chef Meow, a fluffy cat in a chef's hat, enters his bright kitchen with a heavy sigh. Hello, little chefs. I'm feeling a little sad today. Sometimes, even a big fuzzy chef like me has down days. Chef Meow perks up, announcing. But you know what always helps me feel better? Cooking something full of love. Today, we're making Lasagna of Love. Spoonie shouts with glee. Woohoo! Did someone say cheesy, saucy, melty lasagna? Let's get cookin'. Chef Meow stands at his counter, surrounded by a vibrant array of ingredients, his whiskers twitching with anticipation. Let me show you the magical feelings inside our lasagna, Chef Meow declares, his eyes sparkling with passion. Cheese equals comfort. Tomato sauce equals joy. Onions, sadness, but it's okay. Pasta sheets, patience. Basil, calmness, he explains, his voice filled with warmth. Each ingredient tells a story. Let's chop and chat, Chef Meow exclaims, gesturing with enthusiasm. Chef Meow and Spoonie stand side by side, ready to sing. The kitchen bursts into life as a veggie chorus dances, adding to the cheerful atmosphere. Grate it, mix it, layer it right. Bake it slow with love and light. Sprinkle a giggle, stir in a smile. Let it cook and dance a while.